Now you can witness some pictures here. So these pictures are related to the affected dry land in drought affected region of our country. First picture, you will see the first picture, right side, left side, first picture, you can see the cracks on the land. And after that, snowfall in India, because as India is witnessing much variation in climatic condition. So we are having, sometimes we are having high rainfall, erratic rainfall, sometimes we are having less rainfall. And also, as our country is having different physical relief features, some areas having mountains, some is under land, physical feature of land, land part, maximum land, plains are there. And some western part we are having desert region. And western ghat and eastern ghat we are having for maximum rainfall area. So these type of feature which we are having. And right side you can see also that a well is a source of water. And right, extreme right we can see drought quadrilateral, that is the physiographic condition of feature of Brazil also. So paddy farming in our country, kharif and rabi crops, farmers they are growing. So paddy farming is there. Deforestation in Brazil, you know the meaning of deforestation. So this is the climatic condition or the weather condition of our country which affects the economy of any country. So we can say that rainfall is directly related to the economic development of any country. So that is very important. Whenever we are having good rainfall, the farmers or agriculture is very good. So that time, now, during that period, we are not having much pressure on our economy side. So but whenever we face erratic rainfall, there is less rainfall, so the more pressure is there on agriculture sector. So this is the main condition the which developing countries they are facing. So once again we will recapitulate our lesson, that is quick, we will have quick recap of the lesson, climate. So children, I hope you have understood well. So before completing our lesson, before finishing our lesson, we should have recapitulate a quick recap of the lesson. So children, climate of any place, they which affects, there are various factors which affect the climate of any place, whether it is our country, whether it is Brazil. So there are certain factors which affect the climate of any place. So we can say there are six factors. So children, remember, whatever I am saying you can write in your rough copies. First, climate factors which affect the India's climate, or we can say here, as we are reading about India's climate, so I will tell you the important factors which affect India's climate are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from sea, ocean currents, and last, relief features. So there are altogether six climate factors which affect India's climate. They are first latitude, second altitude, pressure and wind system, distance from sea, ocean currents, and relief features. So first we will see latitude. So children, due to curvature of earth, the amount of solar energy received is not same everywhere. It is different according to the latitudinal position of uh, a place, of any place. So amount of sun rays which the place they receive, which the places they are receiving is different according to the latitudinal position of that place. As a result, temperature decreases as we go towards polar region, and temperature increases as we go towards equatorial region. The temperature is more, start increasing, or it is having maximum temperature in the equatorial region. But children, as we go towards polar region, the temperature start decreasing. Already you know this. As we go towards polar region, the temperature start decreasing. Children, we know that in between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn, there lies equator. You know that. If you remember, the three important lines in between our earth, above the surface of earth, imaginary line, the central line is equator, above Tropic of Cancer, and down Tropic of Capricorn towards Antarctic, and above Arctic we are having Tropic of Capricorn, and in between Arctic and Tropic of Cancer there lies temperate zone. Understood? There lies temperate zone, and this temperate zone is having world best most beautiful places. World the best tourist places, or the places which are very beautiful, these places lies in the temperate zone, the zone which lies in between Tropic of Cancer and Arctic Circle, and Tropic of Capricorn and Antarctic. So in between these temperate zone they are having world most beautiful places. Understood? So